So we finally have it. What may be Republicans' last best chance to make good on a 7-year-long promise to voters? A new health care plan. Majority Leader Mitch McConnell just released the latest version, and already Democrats are pouncing. But the real question is, can McConnell avoid losing any more GOP support? So far, 2 senators, Kentucky's Rand Paul and Maine's Susan Collins, have indicated they will vote no on this version. That means McConnell can't afford to lose even one more Republican vote. I want to bring in NBC News congressional correspondent Kasie Hunt. Kasie, give us the headlines from this bill for starters.
Well, Chris, this is a bill that tilts a little bit towards those conservatives that had a lot of concerns. So Ted Cruz and Mike Lee, whose idea to allow insurance companies to sell these cheaper bare-bones plans is incorporated into the base of this bill. Now, insurance companies, as well as some advocates, have argued that, look, this is going to bifurcate the market. It's going to make sick people buy more expensive plans that cover everything, and healthier people buy these cheaper plans, and that will ultimately make those pools for very unhealthy people completely unsustainable. And so this is part of a broader picture, though, that includes concerns for moderates as well. The major change there, the bill has basically kept 2 of the major Obamacare taxes. And we talked to Lindsey Graham a little bit earlier. He said, look, we had this problem where a lot of people were concerned that we were cutting Medicaid and also cutting taxes for the wealthy, and that was untenable, and that this essentially moves away from that a little bit and could potentially woo some of those moderate senators that have had concerns. But it's just not clear yet that the moderates that we've been watching so closely are going to be ready to say that they will vote to open debate on this bill. Right now, McConnell says those votes will be next week after we get a new CBO score for this bill. Rob Portman, the senator from Ohio, telling my colleague Leanne Caldwell that he is still undecided on this. He and Shelley Moore Capito were very concerned about funding for fighting the opioid epidemic. A lot of that, of course, included in Medicaid. There's $45 billion more for that. But so far, it doesn't seem as though either one of them has been willing to say, yes, they will vote in favor of this bill. So as you pointed out, with Rand Paul and Susan Collins already saying that they don't even want to start the debate on this, that means that Mitch McConnell can't lose a single other Republican senator if he wants to get 250 votes to pass this bill through the Senate. So an incredible amount of pressure on him. We're watching very closely this afternoon to see if there's anybody else. Like I said, it would only take one more person to essentially sink this project before it gets off the ground. Chris.
NBC's Kasie Hunt, thank you for that.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.